When it comes to building neural networks, TensorFlow and Deeplearning.ai are two names that often come up. But which AI tool is actually better for the task? In this video, we're diving deep into a comparison of TensorFlow and Deeplearning.ai, so you can make an informed decision about which one is best for your neural network projects. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a great alternative that could save you time and effort. Let's start with TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is one of the most popular open source libraries for machine learning and deep learning. It offers a robust ecosystem for building and deploying neural networks. Its flexibility makes it ideal for everything from simple models to complex architectures. However, there's a catch. While TensorFlow is incredibly powerful, it can also be quite complex and intimidating, especially for beginners. The learning curve is steep, and setting up a project can be overwhelming without experience. You'll find yourself deep in documentation more often than you'd like, which might slow down your progress if you're just getting started with neural networks. Next, let's talk about Deeplearning.ai. Unlike TensorFlow, Deeplearning.ai is not a library, but a learning platform that offers specialized courses in deep learning, particularly through its popular deep learning specialization on Coursera. If you're looking for structured, hands-on training to get better at neural networks, Deeplearning.ai might be the better option. The courses are taught by Andrew Ng, a leader in the field of AI, and they cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. The platform is beginner-friendly and provides clear, actionable steps for building neural networks. However, while the courses are excellent for learning, Deeplearning.ai doesn't offer the flexibility that TensorFlow does when it comes to actually building and deploying your models. If you're looking for a hands-on tool, this might not be enough on its own. The third thing to consider is community support. TensorFlow has a huge open-source community, which is one of its major strengths. You'll find a wealth of tutorials, discussions, and code snippets that can help you troubleshoot issues quickly. However, the sheer volume of content can sometimes be overwhelming, and finding the right solution for your specific issue isn't always easy. Deeplearning.ai, on the other hand, benefits from a more focused community centered around education and structured learning. This makes it a bit easier to get targeted support, but it also means there's less of a hands-on development community compared to TensorFlow. The fourth thing is performance and scalability. TensorFlow shines in this area. It's highly optimized for production environments and can scale from running on your local machine to massive clusters. This makes it a go-to option for companies and developers who need to deploy their models at scale. Deeplearning.ai, being more of an educational platform, doesn't directly address performance or scalability in the same way. While it can teach you the concepts, it doesn't provide the same tools for real-world application. So, which tool should you choose? Well, if you're looking for a comprehensive, flexible solution for building neural networks from scratch and scaling them up, TensorFlow is a clear choice. But if you're more focused on learning the theory and getting hands-on training with deep learning, then Deeplearning.ai might be the right fit for you. Now, after trying both, I've come to the conclusion that while these tools are great in their own right, there is a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds: ease of use, comprehensive training, and powerful deployment capabilities. If you want to discover what I believe is the top choice for neural networks, then take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to check it out and let me know your thoughts on TensorFlow and Deeplearning.ai in the comments below.